Let's see how to use iPad as second screen for Mac. In the first step, open Settings. Later go to Displays. Now press Add Display. In the next step, tap on Add Display. Now select your iPad from the options, then press Connect. In the next step, open Apple menu. Next, go to System Preferences. Next, click on Sidecar. In the next step, open Sidecar Settings. After that, choose how the iPad functions. After that, modify display settings. In the next step, move windows across screens. Next, utilize Apple Pencil for input. Later, activate gestures for smooth control. You are good to go.